Here's a question for you. What's your idea of the perfect gift? A new mobile, an expensive dress, a romantic dinner for two? Well, all great choices. But sometimes, you know what? The biggest gift we can give to those we care about is peace of mind. And one of the easiest ways to do that is through insurance. Isn't that right, Tapan?
A lot of time I tell people that if I give you 1 hour of my life, what can there be a better gift than this? If I can gift you safety, peace of mind, what a better gift can this be? Maybe it comes from my being an insurer. So technically when I have to give people, I look at individuals and figure out what is the safety, peace of mind that I can give to that person. I look for a good cover and I give that. Because to me personally, that is more long lasting. And I actually spend some time explaining as to why this gift is critical for you as an individual and what difference does it make. In today's time, the more relevant is gifting safety to your friend, to your sister, to your parents. It makes a huge difference, and I do that, and I believe from my perspective it's a very, very powerful feeling that I have for somebody, that I want him or her to be safe, and that is why insurance as a gift is some of the best gift that I could think of.
Okay, so I remember that you once said that insurance helps us keep our dignity intact. Can you tell me how?
Let's do an experiment. Let's go to a hospital and stand next to the billing counter. And you see in the moment of crisis, what all people do, they're selling jewelries, they're begging for money, they're trying to take loans. It's a question of life and death. And what happens to the dignity when you have to go and beg money for loans? And then you repay all that, it doesn't get over, and you're not sure about what's going to happen? If you have a good health cover, just smiley walk in, and people come to you, you treat them with all the tea and snacks and have nice conversation. I mean, that is paid by the insurance company if you have good hospital cash, in terms of what it is. See the difference of your dignity to an opportunity where you are begging for money to save somebody, to a time where you just tell people, don't worry, just relax, let's pray for him or her. He's going to get fine. We are the best hospital, the best doctor is treating him or her. That's dignity. At the age of 60, when you have made a house, put contents, it gets washed away on floods. Where do you go? Where do you stay? Where do you borrow money to get a small equipment back in your house? You're past your earning age. If you had a cover, you buy everything back to where it was. That's dignity. It is that critical. It makes a huge difference to the number of lives you live and to a dignified life that you can live.
Alright, so I get it, that there are many benefits related to the insurance policies. But why is it that the policy adoption rate in India is extremely low?
When I look at insurance, I look at the way the claims get paid. If I look at the coverages they provide, the dignity they provide, to me, people should be queuing up to buy insurance. Yeah? And it's reverse. People say insurance is a push product. You have to push insurance to sell. It's not a pull product. And you look at pull products, they are jewelry, they are apparels, which is short term and can just disappear with time, be out of fashion. I spoke to a lot of people asking this question. Then I spoke to a psychologist friend of mine, and he told me, Tapan, the human brain is not wired to see risks. And that is why conversations have happened. Conversations like this have to happen, where people say, yes, this makes sense, I should have it. That is why insurance is still sold on conversations. And I think if the penetration is low, it is the failure of the industry to have had many conversations with many people, simplifying it to a level where people realize, yes, it's so essential.
Okay, I understand that. But is there anything that you or the industry is doing to change this?
So one, this conversation I'm having with you is itself a clear proof that we want people to be understanding how essential it is. Second, the simplification of claims. I told you earlier, the process of claims from the industry perspective, they're trying to avoid frauds. From a customer perspective, he's feeling cheated. Has to be redefined where you make it so simple the customer says, wow, I was covered and I got paid even before I realized it. That's the second thing as an industry leader we are pushing ahead. Third thing is a lot of conversation, discussions, we talk of demystifying insurance. Simply put, what does it mean? Why it is essential for you? How do you see it from a different perspective? Why it's so critical for you?
Okay, thank you very much. So remember folks, diamonds and chocolates are not the only appropriate gifts for someone you love, insurance is too. Don't hesitate, don't wait, buy insurance, buy peace of mind.